Dear friends, welcome to yet another installment of Orbital Geek. In this video, we explore the fascinating possibility that we are not alone in the vast and enigmatic Milky Way. Scientists from the University of Nottingham suggest that our galaxy, with its hundreds of billions of stars, may harbor no less than 36 intelligent alien civilizations. But how did they arrive at that intriguing number? We analyze the methodology that led to those conclusions, and the candidate planets, such as Proxima Centauri b, Kepler 62e, and Gliese 667 cc, which stand out as promising for extraterrestrial life. Would these civilizations face the same challenges of interstellar travel that we do? And if it's true, are we prepared to meet our cosmic neighbors? Watch until the end and join the discussion about our place in the universe. The question, are we alone in the universe, has provoked the minds of scientists for centuries, capturing the imagination of people in every corner of the world and driving countless questions about the unknown. The belief that Earth is not the only haven for life in the universe is shared by many scientists. Considering the immensity of the cosmos, estimated at approximately 2 trillion galaxies, perhaps the more pertinent question is, are we alone in the Milky Way? A recent study, published in a prestigious astrophysics journal, proposes that the Milky Way galaxy may be home to 36 communicating intelligent alien civilizations. But how did the researchers from the University of Nottingham arrive at that number? They claim the estimate is, in fact, conservative, based on the hypothesis that extraterrestrial intelligent life develops in a way analogous to Earth's. The scientists postulate that our planet is not an exception. Imagine a planet similar to ours, orbiting a star similar to our Sun, harboring a civilization that advances technologically in parallel to humans. Under the premise that it would take 5 billion years for intelligent life to emerge, then we could conjecture the existence of at least 36 civilizations analogous to ours in the galaxy. Previous studies on the possibility of alien life were based on the Drake equation, which considers 7 essential factors to calculate the number of intelligent civilizations. However, the estimates varied enormously, from 0 to a few trillion civilizations. With this new method, the researchers refine the equation using updated data and premises. They deduced that there could be between 4 and 211 civilizations, with 36 being the most likely number. However, the task of locating those civilizations is an entirely different matter. Scientists indicate they would be thousands of light years away, making the challenge of finding them monumental. But let's begin exploring Proxima Centauri b, the nearest exoplanet that may potentially harbor alien life. This intriguing world orbits within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri. The habitable zone, or Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions are just right for the existence of liquid water on a planet's surface. In this zone, the temperature is just right, not too hot, which would cause water to evaporate if the planet is too close to its star, nor too cold, which would freeze water if the planet is too far away. This temperature range offers the potential for life as we know it to thrive. Proxima Centauri b is very similar in size to Earth, with a mass of approximately 1.17 Earth masses. This suggests it is only around 10% larger in diameter than our world. The planet is likely tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet always faces the star, receiving constant daylight, while the other side is in perpetual darkness. There could be 3 distinct climatic zones due to the tidal locking: a hot sun-facing side, a cold and dark side, and a potentially habitable twilight zone in the middle. If alien life exists on Proxima Centauri b, the unique tidally locked conditions could lead to extraordinary adaptations. On the perpetually illuminated side, life forms could have evolved to withstand constant exposure to the star's radiation, possibly developing protective mechanisms or utilizing the constant light to their advantage, perhaps through photosynthesis-like processes. On the dark side, organisms could have adapted to extreme cold and constant darkness, possibly relying on geothermal energy or other non-stellar forms of heat to survive. Now, if intelligent alien life existed on Proxima Centauri b, the implications would be astounding. First, that would suggest intelligent life is likely common throughout the galaxy, considering the Milky Way hosts an estimated 400 billion stars. The odds of the only 2 planets with intelligent life being neighbors would be astronomically low. Second, the discovery could provide clues about the nature of space travel between extraterrestrial civilizations. If these neighboring beings have not yet made contact, that could indicate that even for a more advanced alien society, interstellar travel is an even greater challenge than we thought. Or it could also suggest they are technologically less advanced than us, positioning humanity as the potential first interstellar visitors. In that scenario, we would be the aliens arriving on their planet. However, before we get ahead of ourselves, it's crucial to remember that these ideas remain purely speculative. The existence of extraterrestrial life, let alone intelligent life beyond Earth, has yet to be confirmed. Another intriguing candidate for harboring alien life is Kepler-62e, a super-Earth located about 1/200 light-years away. Here's why this exoplanet stands out. It's about 1.6 times the size of Earth, suggesting it may have similar mass and gravity. It orbits within its star's habitable zone, which is smaller and cooler than the Sun, creating potentially ideal conditions for liquid water. There's a strong hypothesis that Kepler-62e could be a water world, mostly or entirely covered by oceans. This could mean a variety of aquatic life forms could exist there. If Kepler-62e had an atmosphere, it's believed it would be very cloudy, warm and humid, extending all the way to the polar regions. If it truly is a water world, this could make the development of civilization as we know it challenging, but doesn't eliminate the possibility of advanced marine organisms. The concept of life on Kepler-62e remains speculative, but it's one of the prime candidates in the search for alien life due to these promising characteristics. However, its great distance from Earth means our current technology doesn't allow us to study it in detail to confirm these possibilities. Another exoplanet with potential for harboring alien life is Gliese 667cc, a super-Earth with a radius 1.7 times larger than Earth's, located about 23 light-years away. Gliese 667cc is part of a triple star system, which could mean that if you were standing on the planet, you'd see 3 suns in the sky. Its host star is a red dwarf with about a third of the Sun's mass. Stars like Gliese 667c have an incredibly long lifespan, being able to live up to 150 trillion years, or 15 times longer than the Sun's lifespan. Even if alien life does not currently exist on Gliese 667cc, the potential 150 trillion year lifespan of this system offers an extended window for life to emerge and evolve. This prolonged period of stability far exceeds that of our own Sun, providing more than enough time for complex life forms to develop at a later stage in the planet's history. Gliese 667cc is among 5 other planets orbiting the red dwarf, 3 of which are within the habitable zone. This makes this system a strong candidate for potential alien life. However, whether life truly exists, there remains a mystery, as we currently lack the technology to directly detect life at such a distance. The study of exoplanets like Gliese 667cc helps astronomers understand the conditions under which life can arise and how common habitable worlds may be in our galaxy. Kepler-22b is another fascinating alien world, categorized as a super-Earth, with a radius approximately 2.4 times larger than Earth's. The planet's composition remains a matter of debate. It could be covered by a vast ocean, or perhaps it's a gas giant. However, if it is an ocean world, as some Kepler mission scientists suggest, it's possible life could exist in such an environment. The idea of an ocean world is particularly intriguing, as it opens up the possibility of aquatic life forms. Nevertheless, with an impressive distance of about 640 light-years separating us from Kepler-22b, it is currently out of reach for direct exploration using available technology. Imagine an advanced alien civilization on Kepler-22b, observing Earth through sophisticated telescopes. They would see our planet as it was in 1384. They would be witnessing the medieval era on Earth, due to the light delay of 640 years for light to travel from our world to theirs. Although 640 light-years seems vast, that represents less than 1% of the 100,000 light-year width of our Milky Way. So far, our exploration of exoplanets has barely scratched the surface of the potentially habitable worlds that may exist. Based on data from the Kepler Space Telescope, estimates suggest there could be up to 300 million potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone. Considering this, Estimating only 36 potential alien civilizations in the Milky Way seems extremely conservative. Now let's imagine that each galaxy harbors only a single civilization. If this were true, with an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, there would be at least 2 trillion civilizations out there. Faced with these numbers, it is humbling to realize that our civilization may be just a small speck viewed from the vast cosmic perspective. As we gaze at the stars, we must wonder, what legacy will we leave in this cosmic sea of possibilities? Based on all these discoveries and estimates, one thing is certain. Science offers us a tantalizing glimpse of what may lie beyond the stars. With the possibility of 36 alien civilizations in the Milky Way and worlds like Proxima Centauri b and Kepler 62e presenting habitable conditions, the cosmic scenario has never seemed so promising or mysterious. If we consider that we may be on the verge of discovering intergalactic neighbors, what would the implications be for humanity? Are we prepared for that encounter? And if we do find life, will we be seen as friendly explorers or unwanted invaders? Leave your opinion in the comments and share your theories about what awaits us in this vast universe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.